Hi, Brana. You look happy? Well, today's my birthday. Alright, October 7th. Your birthday, happy birthday. Thanks, boss. Look at this boss. Happy, give me. I can't believe she make it. Yellow, blue bees are beautiful. Is that a new paper? Was that a birthday present too? The paper? No, I bought it myself. What did your present give you for your birthday? A set of gold clothes. And my mom baked a birthday card. What about your brother? Did this me? Did he give you anything? Yes, he built a table for my bedroom, and somebody give me a bedroom. I am really sorry, Barbara, but I totally forgot about my birthday. I've been so busy with my post. Well, my birthday is over yet. Right, let's go out and Kilemba. How about talking cab to that new park spot?